Right then, car's dropped off. Toxic paintwork with Lawrence. Ready to get turboed. Shouldn't take too long. It's gonna be ripping, man. Yeah, man. So car's staying here for a few days. I'm going off on I'm going up Scotland for a few days, going on holiday. So car's staying with Lawrence. He's gonna work his magic on it, and we'll come back and pick it up soon.
Right, so you've been left with me for a minute because Ryan's gone on holiday, so he's left his car with us. Here it is, and I think it looks quite nice. Let's just take a little look at the engine bay. So it's got a stock CGA3. It's running a Jan speed, manifold, and a Giz Fab air intake. But we're going to take all that off. We're going to replace it with a turbo kit. So just having a quick inspection of the car underneath, because I'm going to have to take this pipe out and replace it with a different pipe. But just having a quick inspection, and you've got a massive split in your boot, and it's chucked grease all around your engine bay, mate. So I'll see what you want to do about that. Right, so the air filter's off, the manifold's off. I'm just going to cut out this little section so the intercooler pipe can run through the back. Also, these were the wheels that he's running. I'm just going to test fit just to see what the SSRs look like on this side. Right, so I'm just going to fit this bumper very quickly, just so we can see exactly what the car's going to look like. I think it goes pretty hard. So the intercooler's fitted, the bumper's back on. I've mounted the turbo up, the manifold. It took me a couple of days actually because I was waiting for a gasket to come in, so I put a new gasket on. We're just going to put the downpipe on and stuff, change the oil sump. We should be good to go.
Yes, boys. Just a little one. I don't know when this clip's going to be in a video, but I put in the last video that the t-shirts are up for sale, and I've had a good few orders from you guys. So yeah, man, got a good few packages. Just taking these to the shop now to get them posted off. But yeah, man, a lot of people ordered them. I didn't think they'd fly out as well as they have done. But yeah, some people just like the design. Some people just want to support the channel. But yeah, it's cool, man. Really appreciate you ordering, and they're always available. So if you do want to buy any, just let me know. Just hit me up on Instagram or something. We can sort it out. I will probably get some more designs made just because these have been so popular, and there's just not many clothes out there like, you know, like designs for just micros and stuff. So it's pretty sweet, man. But yeah, I'm gonna run into the shop and get these posted out. One's going to Germany, a couple are going to the Czech Republic. So yeah, man, pretty cool. Thanks for ordering. Enjoy the rest of the video. Right then, boys, finally back at Toxic, picking up the car. It's been a couple of weeks. Obviously the weather's the shittest it could be. Not ideal for making more power. Already going to be struggling for grip, and it's wet. Alright, let's dip in, see how she's looking. Boosted boy. Always banging the tunes here. Yes, bro. Hi. Sound you right? Yeah. Shiny boy, this is.
Well, it will be soon.
Yeah. Whew.
Do you want to take a little look at your car?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, she's all fitted up, man.
Nice.
I've had to modify your thing a little bit, you know, to take the because otherwise it was hitting the turbo, it was hitting on mine. I was supposed to.
Oh yeah.
Never ended up doing it.
Yeah, all good. Sweet, man. All good, yeah, no problem.
Yeah, no issues at all.
Sweet, man. Engine all good and
Yeah,
that.
no, it took boost really well.
Yeah. Sweet, man.
We'll go for a little drive, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I still need to attach some boost pipes and that, but it's all
Oh, that's nice.
painted, all engine bay, painted the like rocker cover and that. Well, the rocker cover's getting painted the strut base.
All your tubing as well?
Yeah, all our turbo kit, yeah.
Clean, man. You should mention your turbo kits on here. Not that you need much promo from me because you've got a big audience anyway, but
yeah.
so you're going to do your own turbo kits all in house?
I've got them on the website, so
Oh yeah.
yeah, so they'll be able to purchase. We're going to do at the moment. I've got free fitting on turbo kits, but they're available for mail order and stuff.
Yeah, sick, man. Comes with turbo, like everything you need.
Yeah, so it comes with the turbo, everything that you need, like oil lines, oil return lines, all the hardware.
Yeah.
And then we also have a package for tuning, just like what you've had done.
Yeah, nice. It's good with what I've had because it's just drive in, drive out. Like
Yeah.
you can't beat it, man. You know what I mean? You ain't got to.
Yeah, you can just drop your car off, leave it with us, and that's it.
Yeah, sweet, man. Nice. What's this one going to be running?
I'd probably suggest around 140 horsepower or so.
Similar to mine.
Yeah, very similar to yours.
Yeah. Sweet, man.
Yeah, we'll go out, man.
Yeah, man. Let's give it a rip. Happy engine. It's weird, man, because it feels just like the exact same car so far, obviously.
Yeah, to be honest, in this weather it's not ideal either, it's just going to spin up.
Yeah.
You've only got like 5J wheels on as well, innit? Little biscuits.
Yeah, 4.5, man.
4.5J? That's crazy, bro.
No, 6.
Oh.
I'm only joking. Yeah, 6J, yeah. 155 though.
I think it's BMX wheels on.
Yeah, I'm going to get some 175s, I think. Look at fit it. Yeah, it's just on straight away, man.
Yeah,
You have to wait.
yeah. There's not much lag.
Yeah. It's just what these need, ain't it, man? Which way would you go?
Well,
straight.
yeah, go straight on when you get to a roundabout. No, stay in this lane, on right. But when you get to a roundabout, turn right. Yeah, mate. I've said it ever since I had one from factory. If they had like 5 psi boost,
Yeah.
this is a perfectly daleable.
Yeah. Yeah, it's alright, man. It ain't ropey or anything. Shame it's fucking wet though.
crazy.
It feels nice though, man.
Yeah, very like linear and that. Yeah.
Yeah, and the power's just on, like you can just fucking...
Yeah, with the 1 litres, the power comes in a little bit. It's like you've not got as much power, and then it all comes at once.
Yeah.
Whereas this, it was all it had a little bit of power before the boost, so it's a lot more linear.
Yeah, so it's nippy up to the boost.
Yeah, so do you know, like if you're driving the CGA3, you get that low down torque, but then it starts dying off.
Yeah, it does.
Well, it won't with this because obviously it keeps the power there. So
that's why it's just what it needs, man. You got that top end.
I'm just hoping there's like a nice little bit where you can just open it up a bit. Yeah, so this car's going now, so
Silly release it.
Oh, Porsche just pulled out.
Oh.
It's alright.
We'll catch up with it, won't we?
Yeah, speed bump here. Yeah, just give it a bit now.
60 man like that.
Yeah, straight away, no messing.
Oh man, you ain't gonna fuck up.
Look at this little guy. Look at him down there.
Which one?
Little fucking police guy here. See him there?
Yeah, mate,
Fuck off. Mate,
mark.
I'm on it. Don't you worry about that.
You got them radars, you have.
Yeah, fuck them. I hate guys like this, me. Like, what is he doing as a job? Who thinks, let's wake up and apply for a job to fuck everybody else over?
Sit in a van.
And I know people will say, well, just don't speed, but it's not that though. It's on about people like, you know, people who are doing 33 mile an hour, not even doing anything.
Yeah. Just nothing.
It's hardly dangerous, is it? But you think, oh, there's 3 points and fucking 100 quid.
Yeah. Just to fucking make money, innit?
It's all the money scheme, that. That's nothing to do with safety, that.
No.
Absolutely nothing to do with safety.
Yeah. Let's just grab people and make a few.
1,000,000%.
Yeah. Good job the fucking Porsche's there, Marty.
Yeah, innit, yeah.
To slow us down.
Yeah, he sorted you out him.
Man, I guess the limits are so quick.
You're all good. What are we there, lad? Oh, he's trying to go left, but...
Yeah, man. It's mad, man. It's just mad that this is my car, like.
Yeah, you can turn right, yeah. Yeah, it soon eats up road as well, innit?
Yeah, you're fucking just gone.
Kind of pop.
Right then, boys. Turbo's all done. It's running so sweet, man. The power delivery and just the amount of power and torque and the noises, just everything, man. It's so good. Perfect build. If you need, defo get in touch with Toxic Paintwork up in Blackburn. If you need any work, they're super responsive on messages. The work's amazing. The response is just, yeah, the reply really easy. One of my favourite things as well is just, they just tell you how stuff is, and like Lawrence just, there's no bullshit, man. It's just straight to the point. It'll take this long, it'll cost this much. It's easy. You supply this, you know. It's just super flexible and easy to work with. So yeah, man, it's all quality work. And yeah, man, let's drive this bad boy home. then boys, that's it man. Car's back home. It's been away for a couple of weeks, back in the garage. Turbo's fully done, running good, perfect man, perfect job. It's exactly how you'd want it, perfect amount of power, makes all the right noises, and yeah, it just drives wicked man, it just fucking rips. Just turbo noises, like just the boost noise, like as boost's building, and then the blow off, and just that screamer pipe man, that screamer just sounds insane. But yeah, it drives good. Obviously the day I pick up the car, it's going to be the wettest day since 1901. Not factually, but yeah, so the car's just spinning up completely through first, second, bit of third, so I'll have to do a proper day where I get some proper clips of it, like ripping along and making noises and stuff. But yeah, I'm trying to get this video out for now. So yeah man, a couple of weeks I'll put another video out, try and get a dry day, get some clips and stuff. But yeah man, hit up Toxic Paint Work if you want any work doing really. I mean, they do kind of specialise in micras, but you know, it's any car. They're doing their own turbo kits now, and just yeah, the paint work's good, and like I said before, just the communication mainly, and just yeah, it's just quality work, and they're not trying to rip anybody off. It's just all solid. So if you need anything doing, if you got micros, just give them a chat man and tell them I sent you. But yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, we're fully boosted now. So until next time.